France has developed an indigenous naval drone, mirroring Ukraine's successful Magura-V design. In a notable experiment, the French Navy achieved a direct hit on a ship target. While details remain classified, the USV was likely designed by SeaOwl. The TRACUS, unveiled at Euronaval 2024, shows striking similarities to Ukraine's Magura-V. Both drones share nearly identical dimensions, suggesting technological adaptation. This test is part of the Polaris initiative, launched in 2021 to prepare the French Navy for high-intensity combat. The initiative encompasses a series of rigorous combat readiness tests. In December 2024, a nuclear submarine fired an F-21 torpedo, sinking the decommissioned PHM Premier 𝗏 February 2025 saw mine detonation tests near the frigate 𝗙𝗏 to assess damage response. March 2025's Dragoon Fury exercise tested offensive and defensive unmanned systems in amphibious operations. France is drawing lessons from Ukraine's successful naval drone campaigns in the Black Sea. South Korea abandoned aircraft carriers for drone fleets, while Taiwan accelerates naval drone integration. France has also developed the 𝗙𝗏𝑆 kamikaze glider, inspired by Ukrainian innovations. These vessels are low-profile, fast, and produce minimal heat signatures, making detection difficult. Constructed with non-metallic components, they resemble civilian boats. Operating under darkness further complicates early warning systems. These developments represent a fundamental shift in naval warfare capabilities. France positions itself at the forefront of autonomous naval technology innovation.